Got a bunch of gadgets from Amazon. Let's see what they're all about. First one is a Leatherman. This is Leatherman Raptor Rescue. Oh, upside down. So there you go. Comes with a holster. There's also a clip right here. Could be clipped up without the holster, but that's a cool belt holster. It could be connected to a backpack belt, and there it is. So there's a Leatherman Raptor Rescue. There's centimeters, up to 5 centimeters. Really nice, comfortable folding scissors, and obviously non-sharp edge to cut through the fabric. Okay, and there's a button to collapse it, and there's another button to collapse it down here, and there's a like a rope cutter, maybe like seatbelt cutter. Could be so many uses for that. And there's a liner lock for that. Am I missing anything else real quick? Yeah, just pretty much it. Nice scissors and a belt, seat belt cutter. I love that folding mechanism right here. Boom. And again, could be buckled up on the outside of a backpack or onto a belt. Locks in really well. Love Leathermans. Robbie Van Aurora 8.3. So it comes with a removable clip, or it can be just on a keychain. Just perfect little flashlight. There's a keychain and replaceable pieces because it's rechargeable, USB-C, a little lanyard or keychain, like whatever you call that, and there's a flashlight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes I haven't trouble with that, but there it is. 5 times and it will unlock the flashlight. So it can be locked, but it is incredibly bright. I love that. And double click all the way to the brightness. And then single clicks, 3 different modes. Double click, brightest. And triple click will flash. And 5 clicks will lock it back up. You see, that's a locked position. And the clip will slide right into here, but it doesn't have to have a clip. Very beautiful flashlight. I like that a lot. Very lightweight. As big as a pinky, even smaller. And I have big hands. Road flares, more and more becoming LED, rechargeable. This one's cool. And also it has like not plastic but rubber. So if they're going to be dropped, they'll actually bounce. So highly protected. Also there's a magnet. Yes, ooh, stone magnet too. Let's pull this up real quick. USB-C, rechargeable, so water resistant. Nice. Ooh, could be a regular flashlight. So this some moods would be. And in the dark it will bright even more. It will be even brighter. I mean, ooh, I like that one a lot. That is so cool. That one is nice too. And regular blipping. And it can be by itself, like lit up red. And a flashlight. So awesome. So I can go to the moods real quickly and get to flashlights. I love it. And it comes in the little set for the car of 5. So if I pull over on the side of the road, I could lay them out so people can be warned that somebody on the side of the road. Love the packaging and everything. EDC titanium pry bar MultiTool Range. So let's open it up. I might have to use something to pry this open. this. Okay. So beautiful. Okay, there's a folding knife, liner lock, kinda comfortable, I like it. Open up boxes and such. So push that and it will close. Bottle opener. Ooh, look at that, that's kinda cool. So this is a push button and it will turn around for, looks like, what is it, different screwdriver, and there's a flathead screwdriver. Nice. Okay, there's a clip, beautiful. And the coolest part is that here, looks like it's on the tension, and it will unscrew the bolts and such. For the bikes would probably be perfect. Yeah, it definitely grips really well. I like it. Let's see. Let's grip onto something else. Oh yeah, look at it. It's bent in it. It's gripped really tight. So perfect for bicycle tool, window breaker. Interesting little, like a range bike tool over here. I like it. Celestone Binoculars 8x32 Nature DX. So all packaged. Quick unboxing. I like Celestone for telescopes. They are binoculars. There it is. What else does it come with? There's a stop and cleaning wipes, cleaning towel, I mean. Ooh, beautiful. So folds adjust up and down. This will stay open. Let's go try them out outside. It says 832. Ooh, this is smooth. A lot of times this is not so smooth, and also for different eye vision, this adjustable plus minus. 3 clicks. Nice. Let's go try it out. Okay, adjusted, now focus. Wow, this is awesome. I can't believe it. This Celestone is so easy to focus further away. Wow, super clear. I'm about to show to the camera one of the lens how easy it is to focus, and it's visible from far away, so looking at birds and nature would be awesome. Bring it to a football game, whatever. So clear, amazing. Okay, it's pretty far away. Let's put it to the binocular. There's a fence, super quick to focus. Instead of zooming in and out, it's more of a focus. Lost my camera right here. Pretty awesome. Okay, let's move it a little bit further. There's a fence at the focus, in focus, but this is not in focus. So easy to focus it, but somewhere closer over here is so beautiful and close up. If I see birds, like what is about 20 feet away, this bush right here, make it look like so close. So just perfect to look at the nature and so on. But you can see from far away. Let's see if I can adjust it into the nests. There's a couple nests over there. That's what it's going to look like. It's way out there. So pretty awesome binoculars, and not big either. SOG knives and tools, Fasthack, Tomahawk. So beautiful. 8 mm 1/8 mm. 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 8 mm 1 I wouldn't say it's plastic, but some kind of like a plasticky material, but maybe like a PVC of some sort. Beautiful, comfortable. Let's see where it's leveled. Because it's a Tomahawk, it might be good for throwing, chopping. They level, I would say, pretty perfectly. Right under the handle right here. That's it. Yeah. And it's beautiful. Really thick. That whole piece is a piece of metal. Then it's a protected piece of like a tube metal and 2 metal screws inside here. So it's gonna last a lifetime. Love it. That is. That's what it looks like, kind of shift. Looks like a belt loop. It'll go over the top and slide in into the shift. It locks in. So can be hung onto a belt. So to take it out is to pull it out all the way out this way. So there you go. By the way, this side here is very sharp. Usually axes and hatchets are not so sharp. Not in this case. This one is ready to go. Keychain, nail clipper. Is that the word for it? Okay, so it comes in one of this. Wait, what is this? This is a file, glass file? Interesting, that is a file. Interesting glass file for sure. It actually feels like a file. Okay, there it is. This is what we're looking for. Very small, so put it on the keychain. It will sit in there in a holster when I need to take it out. Pull this out. Wow, this is high quality and very thin. So how do I push this out? Oh, simple. Just push it back and it will, tension will open it. That's it. Ooh, the file is inside here too. All I have to do is just remove this piece of tape and there's a file. And clippers right here. Interesting. Kind of distance in the way a little bit. There it is. Kind of pull it back and then we'll work wall. There it is. And then push it back and it will lock in. Push it way back. Clip the nails. Push it down, lock it back in. I like it. And it's very small. There it is.